Chromium, path from economic development to environmental toxicity. This article described the role of metals and metalloids, particularly chromium, Cr, in India's scientific and industrial development. It highlights the significant economic contribution of industries such as tanneries, which predominantly utilize Cr, especially in the regions like Kanpur, West Bengal, and Vellore district of Tamil Nadu, contributing significant revenue during the period 2022 to 2023. These are mostly operated by small and medium-scale industries and crucial for India's economic growth. However, their operations raise environmental and health concerns due to the discharge of Cr-containing effluents into ecosystems, adversely affecting soil health, crop yield, and posing carcinogenic risks. The article underscores the paradox of industrial development in India, a country with a rapidly growing population projected to reach 1.66 billion by 2050, necessitating 400 million tons of food grain. While industrial growth has improved living standards, it also introduces pollution challenges. The tannery industry, a significant employer, exemplifies this issue with its Cr-laden waste impacting both human health through food chain contamination and agricultural productivity. This work examines the dual impact of Cr on India's economy and environment. It discusses the urgent need for balanced agricultural and industrial development to support each other while minimizing ecosystem deterioration. The focus is on the urgent requirement for effective management strategies to handle the large volumes of industrial waste, particularly from the tannery industry. The article also explores modern and traditional methods to minimize, reduce, or immobilize Cr in soil, aiming to mitigate its uptake by food crops and address the associated health risks. In essence, it provides a comprehensive analysis of Cr's economic importance, environmental challenges, and potential remediation strategies in the context of India's developmental trajectory. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.